Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have here a delightful 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom house for sale. It is located in the very quiet area of Edinburgh, Newport, Manchester. It sits on quarter-acre of land. The house has been renovated, which makes it turnkey ready. The ground has also been very well maintained. It has 2 tuff tanks, a large concrete tank, and there is also NWC water. One of the good features of this property is that it is fruited. The other is that it is reasonably priced. Make your appointment to view today. Guys, let's take a look at this house and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 22 million or US $142.9 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.